A Colorado baker who won a Supreme Court case after he refused to bake a cake for a gay couple fined this week for something similar, denying a transgender woman a cake celebrating her transition. For the first time, both are talking on camera about this new punishment only on NewsNation.
It's always been about the principle.
Autumn Scardina, a transgender woman in Colorado, this week awarded $500 by a Denver judge after a bakery owner refused to make a cake celebrating her birthday and transition.
I asked them to produce a pink and blue cake, one that had a blue exterior and pink interior. I didn't specify any writings. I didn't ask for him to make any statements of any kind, and asked for a cake that on its face was innocuous.
Scardina placed the order with Masterpiece Cake Shop, whose owner, Jack Phillips, drew international attention after being sued for refusing to bake a cake for a gay couple's wedding in 2012. That case went all the way to the Supreme Court, and Phillips won. But this time, a judge says his actions are a violation of Colorado's Anti-Discrimination Act and the Consumer Protection Act. After a legal back and forth, a judge ultimately agreed with Scardina and handed down the $500 fine.
Every American should be free to live and work according to their conscience without fear of punishment.
Phillips says he does not have a moral objection to transgender individuals.
We have other customers that are transgender, and we welcome them and treat them the same as everybody else. We told Autumn Scardina that we would welcome them in the shop for other cakes or purchase anything else or other custom work, but because of the nature of the message of that cake, we couldn't create it.
For Scardina, the matter is simple.
When you're a business operating as a public accommodation, serving the public and making money off of the public marketplace using the public's infrastructure, you should have to follow the public's laws with regard to anti-discrimination statutes.
Jack Phillips tells me this matter is not settled and his legal team plans to appeal. These types of cases routinely make national headlines. Just this week, the Supreme Court upheld a Catholic charity's right to refuse to work with same-sex couples in foster cases. Separately, the Biden administration just reversed a Trump-era policy extending Title IX protections to transgender students, even as at least 18 states attempt to put restrictions on transgender rights.